Welcome back to New York, everybody, with the 30th overall pick. After 2 decades of winning football, 9 non-playoff years ended last year for San Francisco with a bang. 13-3 and a tough loss in the championship game. Now they're on with the commission.
With the 30th pick in the 2012 NFL Draft, the San Francisco 49ers select A.J. Jenkins, wide receiver, Illinois.
Well, the position certainly doesn't surprise. Crabtree, let's go here. You know, if they could have had anything on the outside against the Giants, they would have been in the Super Bowl. But the player might surprise at wide receiver, Mel.
Well, he hasn't been in any first-round projections, but he was an early second-rounder. He was projected to go anywhere between, say, 33 and 40, early day 2 pick. So it's not a shock or boom that he was picked here when you consider he could have gone maybe 7 picks later. But the bottom line is productivity and skill set. You put it together, 6'1", 188 pounds, around a 4.37. So you talk about the skills he brings to the table, can beat any cornerback vertically, has great hands. I don't think he played to the level of those computer numbers, not as explosive out of his cuts as I thought he should have been. Had to adjust to some poorly thrown balls, did that. Talk about in the return game can help you. Size, speed, 38.5 vertical, 90 catches. But I would have liked to have seen that average per catch instead of 14 be 18, but you can blame some of that on the fact they didn't have the great quarterback throwing the football.
You can blame a lot of it on that fact. And I don't really care what anybody says where he's projected. This kid is fast. He's an academic, all Big Ten performer, and he's made a lot of plays, 1,300 yards this year against Illinois.
Well, they're certainly kicking the tires at wide receiver. They have Mario Manningham out of the Giants. They're trying Randy Moss. And now they've drafted A.J. Jenkins.